Hello bro, today I will drive around in Kuta and I took some video for sure, and then I will to show you how the quiet it is in Kuta. During the pandemic corona is already 1 year and today is 21st of March 2021. Let's check it out together. I will try to explain you about the condition in Kuta in English language, but I'm sorry because my English is not really good. Okay bro, now we are in Legian Street. Legian Street usually very famous for the people, for the tourists mostly. Usually on the street, lots of tourists come down the street. On the sidewalk, very busy. But today you can see in the right side or left side, all the shop closed and no people there. It's very quiet. Unusually, as told before. Usually here is a lot of tourists come to here. And the left side, this is we call Ground Zero. And you can see a monument right there. In this area is the first time the boom happening in Bali on 2002. You see the right side and left side is very empty, no people here. So I'm gonna say like Kuta like a dead town at the moment. Okay, we continue driving to the Kuta street, yeah. You see, it's very quiet. It's just like nothing to do there, no business, nothing. All the shop closed, hotel closed, restaurant closed. It's very bad, isn't it? Oh my god, it's very quiet. So sad to see this actually. And this is happening already 1 year since the corona happening in Bali, mostly on the world. International tourism in Bali is still closed, so that's why Bali is very quiet. And our government planning will be open again international tourism in June or July. On the pen, and the graphic is going down for the corona, so our government will be open again international tourism. That is what we're waiting for actually. Now we are in Kuta beach. Check it out. You see how quiet it is. No tourists right there. Just very quiet. Oh no, it's very bad. And the right side, usually we have a traditional market here, and usually very busy people come here to have shopping. But today, you see, only few people there open their shop. And now it's 11 AM, but it's still very quiet. You can see that. There's nothing there. This is the market? Oh no, it's very quiet. There's nothing there. No business. No tourists, no visitors. It's nothing. Usually on this road, it's very busy. A lot of tourists come this place to do some shopping. Okay, let's check it out. Kartika Street. Even in Kartika Street, it's very quiet. You see, left and right side, sidewalk is empty. The shop is closed. Hotel also closed. Oh no, it's very bad, isn't it? In Kartika Plaza is very famous and a lot of rich people stay here because in this area a lot of big hotel. Babagam empty. Bali Garden empty. Close. There's no people there. It's crazy. And this is where the boom park on the left side. Some people but still quiet. Okay, in the right side this is the Discovery Mall. This mall is the biggest mall in Kuta, and this mall connected to the ocean. But you see, all closed, no business. They just closed this department store. It's very quiet. Oh my god, it's very bad. This is Kartika Hotel in the right side. Also quiet. Okay, now we will back to Kuta again, the Kuta Center. At the front we have the Matahari department store, like central of shopping mall in Bali. Oh my god, also empty here. It's quiet. It's very quiet. You see on the right side, this is Matahari department store, and they're closed. Oh no, it's very bad. Oh, empty. It's very bad. Okay, from Matahari we just turn left to go another place. Okay, on this video I make like 7 or 9 minutes driving by bike, and I make movie without skip in Kuta area. So you will see the real quiet of Kuta because I don't make like anything about the situation right there. This is Kuta beach. Okay, we turn right. You still see it's very quiet here. Some taxi right there, but no passenger. In the right side we have a Arround cafe here. Usually lots of people make a photo here, but very quiet too. Parking empty. Hard Rock Hotel, right side. Okay, usually a lot of motorbike parking around here. They come to the beach, but today is very quiet too. Actually, it's quiet not just because today. Since 1 year ago, already quiet for Bali. As I told you, on this video I make like 7 minutes without skip the continue video, so you can see the real happening right there at the moment in Kuta. The condition, how busy, how quiet, you can see by yourself. This is still Raya Kuta Street. Sidewalk empty. And now I just turned right, and this is Office Line 2, the most famous street in Bali. Left side, the shop closed and no people there. It's very bad. In Poppies Line 2, usually a lot of Australians stay here because this area easy to go to the beach, to the bar and to the restaurant. Everything easy here because this is central of Kuta. But you can see on the video, it's not tourists, no one here. Very quiet. You see, like right side is closed, so the shop there. Oh my God, it's very quiet there. Right side is the shop. Left side is the shop. But empty. I'm sorry, my brother and my sister from different mother. On this video is not stabilizer, so the quality of video is not really good. I'm sorry about that. And also my English also not good, so I'm sorry about that, but I try to explain to you. And now we turn left, and this is Banasari Street. Left side is hotel. It's empty. No tourists. Actually, during this pandemic corona, a lot of people crying because they already ran the shop for a long time, maybe more than 1 year, and they spend lots of money. But now they don't have any business. To rent the shop around here, it costs like about 35 million a year, some 50 million a year. But they already closed for 1 year. You see the shop, left and right, so close. Oh my God. The left side is hotel there. We hope together the corona will be over as soon as possible, so the people can live like normally, and then visitors come to Bali to make happy there. To spend good time with the sunny days. Actually, the weather is very beautiful at the moment in Bali. Okay, keep straight down. You see, I'm not skip this video, so you can see the truly happening right there. The condition during the pandemic corona in Bali. This is Kuta. I'm sorry. The video quality was very bad. A lot of bumpy around here, so the camera is up down all the time. Oh my God, what I did. Okay, right side close, left side close. This is shop. Okay, now we are be back to the beach, Kuta beach. You see, there's no people there. Oh my god, how long is this gonna be? Come on, Bali, wake up, Bali, wake up. Actually, the sand is very beautiful, the weather is very beautiful, the wind is very nice. Okay, bro, so that is the Kuta. It's very quiet, isn't it? This happening already 1 year since the corona happening in the world. Bali is very quiet because mostly our business is tourism, so that's why it's very quiet. And our government planning will be open again international tourism in June or July, but our government still want to see the graphic about the corona in Bali. So we hope together the pandemic corona will be over as soon as possible, so we can be live like normally as before. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.